There we have Keyhole Garden. Still some chives in the corner there. Some celery. And this parsley has been really good. I want to be picking that, putting it away. My shadow. That's Maya's drum with lobelia and hovenkoka, some grey thing there. Ferns have turned a brown colour. Hostas have completely gone, died away. And those are the apples there, up in the tree. I just thought I'd come out and pick some. There they are. Lots of them. Up there as well. Quite a lot of them on the ground. Apple there. Look at these ones. 4 or 5 of them just hanging down. Maya's been making jam out of them. On the ground here you can see how much there are lots of apples falling on the ground as well. The storm last night. The red one over there. A nice one. Oh, I stood on one. Oh, there's one there. Another one there. So I'll have to collect up a little basin full of apples for making some jam with them. And this here is called Punaka Kaneli, or red cinnamon apple. More of them on the ground here. There's another. That one there and another one there. Nothing wrong with them, perfect apples. Beauties. How many are on the ground here? Over there as well. The wind last night took them down. And I really like this little tree here. The apples on it are fantastic. Just so juicy. I want to pick all these. These are good eating apples. Down here. There we go. And this is the yellow Kaneli. And they're absolutely scrumptious. Really good. There we have it. 15 minutes work. A basin full of apples. What more could you ask for?